Hey, MagicSauce is a platform that assesses, educates, and matches underestimated founders to investors looking to fund the most talented global majority. Our team has helped early stage founders raise over 60 million in the last 8 years, with 4 startups now at Series A stage, 2 with female founders. As a member of the SMT, one of the founders helped a startup exit for 100 million as the UF chief of sales after growing the subscription base from 30k to 130k in a year. We're looking to solve the issue that the most talented founders who deliver most bang for an investment buck are still disproportionately underfunded. Our platform addresses this by working with communities, accelerators, and incubators to find talented, underestimated founders. We already have partners like Vested, DiversityX, and Innovate UK in the UK referring partners to us too. They get assessed via the platform, they get access to templates, guides, a public profile, their own data room capability, and then they get matched to investors invited to the platform. Investors get vetted deal flow, ability to syndicate deals on platform, due diligence tools, and more. As we iterate, we'll then intro machine learning and AI to shape and improve what we do. V1 earns 70k in revenue and a solid proof of concept. V2 is about to launch in the UK to 208 founders and investors for our beta test. We have a growing international waitlist, and we've been invited to pilot in the US, Canada, Africa, and Germany by leaders in key ecosystems. Our go-to-market is based around our community presence globally, referral partners, and the founders' own connections. Our vision is an angel list for the majority of the globe with a low financial barrier to entry and outcomes that 10x the funding going to underrepresented founders. 1,000 users gets us to $1 million in revenue in the next 12 months. We're raising 50k under SEIS, with 20% committed so far to get us to break even in 2 months, and that 1 million in 12, covering some operational and tech costs. We raise what we need, and we're milestone focused, so investors are always getting value in execution. Hit me up for more details. Okay, let's take a quick look around the platform as is as well. We're just onboarding those 208 users. This is from the founder side. So these are a few of the things you can expect to see from within the platform. They're treated to an online video when they first log on to show them around the platform. They also have a ready reckoner to show them where some of those early parts in terms of improvement need to be made before they move on to the modules. Within the modules themselves, obviously this is based on all of our learning that's brought early stage startups around 60 million in funding to date. And each of those has an introduction video, external links, templates, everything that a startup will need to be able to hone in on certain areas of their proposition, not just their deck. We're not a magic bullet for a pitch deck, but what we do is make sure that they're thoroughly prepared when they go in for investment. They have an opportunity as well to set up then profiles so they can showcase their talents. So they'll have the story, their timeline, their data room, the team, along with any bios, and that all-important FAQ section as well. If there's something that you want to share with other people off platform as well, or if you want to directly approach them, or if you just want to flag something up to come back to later, there's a few handy buttons there. The reason you're not seeing the matching initially is because we're onboarding everyone first, getting them to complete their profiles, upload their data rooms and their pitch decks, so we can then start that algorithmical matching with the investors that actually come onto the platform. Hopefully that's been a quick overview. It gives you a sense of what we're doing, and there's plenty more in the pipeline to it as well. That will also include diversity directory and SPV capability within the next month or so. Thanks to one of our partners, we're able to sideskip that particular FCA piece of regulation.